Hello everybody and welcome back to another video by me, Steve Clues. Right now today I've got a Morpilot sander that you can get on Amazon. I've actually done a review before of the same make, doing a kettle and also their toaster, and everything that I've had from this company is quite good. I will put a link in the description below of where you can actually get this from, so if you want to you can buy it in the description below. This is model number is JD2442. Let's check it out. Let's unbox it first and see what you get inside the packet. Quite heavy. Box to one side. Right now, you get the discs and some more. Some attachments here. Now these are different attachments that you actually put onto here, onto sander itself. To put these on, you have to unscrew this screw here. There's a screw, you have to unscrew that, then you stick it on and put the screw back. That's just a piece of packing. And also this one here is good because obviously if you've got something where you want to sand, like a chair, if you put the attachment on and put your disc on, it will actually get into the grooves where a normal sander, like the basic one that you can get, won't actually reach. So it can get into the hard to reach parts, which is quite good. And obviously inside the box and all you get instructions. The sander itself looks quite cool. You've got this like plastic box at the back, dusty box, and at the front you have the off and on switch here. It does feel quite good to use. I'm actually going to sand something down. I'll just test it out and see how good it is. I'll be right back. Right now, I'm going to sand this desk down, but first, I'll just show you this. At the back of the grip pads or sandpaper, whatever you want to call it, it does say, it says P80. And you do get 5 of these, and you get 5 of the P180, and you get 5 of the P240 as well. The same with the fingertip ones, get 5 of each. And also, this part here that comes off is basically for this attachment here. So you can attach, if you want to attach it on there, attach it onto the sander. But for today, I'm just going to use this one. I'm going to use P80. The P80 one's rough. So you just basically stick it onto here. Ooh. Let's give this a go, see what it's like. Now at the front, obviously, like I say, you do get the switch here at the front, if you can see it on the camera. I don't think yeah, I can just see it there. That's obviously switched off and on. Let's have a look how long it takes to come on and how long it takes to come off. So that's basically instant, so that's quite good. And now let's sand this down and see if it actually can get it here smooth. I've sanded this part down. As you can see, it looks quite smooth actually. You can stick it on camera. It's actually worked quite well. The dust pad, the dust box and all does as well. The back of the thing. I'll just start to take it off, try to show you how much dust it's actually got in it, if I can. Oh, so, got it off. Got dust in there, yeah. Yeah, it's worked quite well. The dust box has. The dust box is actually better than the bag. The old-fashioned ones, you have like a bag at the back. You know what I mean? That's quite smooth. That's with me sanding it. I've just sanded that down a little bit. I don't actually want it too much. I'm going to make this desk into like a shabby chic as well, so I don't want to sand it down too much. But yeah, that's worked quite well. This brand is actually quite good, because everything that they make, that Morpilot company, is quite good. If you haven't actually had one there, the product review, I'd recommend you try it, because their products are quite good. You don't actually see them in the shops, you always have to see them on Amazon. Yeah, that's good enough. It's nice and smooth, that is. My personal opinion on this sander itself, of course, you would have guessed, it's quite good. The reason is, it's easy. That feels when you're sanding, it feels like really light and easy to do, because this glides really easy. The buttons at the front here, your switcher here, is good because it doesn't get in the way when you're sanding. Obviously, because sometimes they're at the side, and I don't like it when it's at the side. I like it at the front. And also, you actually get a light on it and all. There's actually a light when you turn it on. There's actually a light at the front, which is quite good and all. This is instant. As soon as you turn it on, it comes instant on. That's another good bonus about it. This is 1,300 revs per minute, and this is a 220 watt max power. Yeah, I mean, what I like about this is the fact that it's got these parts and all, which if you're sanding down the chair, I mean, you fix this attachment on here. If you're sanding down a chair and use that, you can get like into hard to reach parts and all, which with a normal mouse sander you can't actually get into them parts, which is quite good. Hope I found something useful in the review anyway. Yeah, stay tuned for more videos. Bye.